should you be applying for your UK visa? Here's a quick guide to applying, the documents required and the applicable fees, brought to you by Shiksha Study Abroad, the market leaders in Apply Abroad counseling. Do you know that there are two types of visas relevant for students, the short-term study visa and Tier 4 student visa? Here's a quick look at both these visa types before we proceed on to the documentation involved. A short-term UK study visa is for those who want to pursue English language course that is up to 11 months. Whereas the most common is the Tier 4 student visa, which most of the students who wish to go to UK for pursuing higher education should be applying for. So what documents do you require for your UK visa interview? Here's a quick checklist for your essential documents. You will need to have a valid passport and a completed visa application form. If you are below 18, remember to get proof of your parent or guardian's consent. It is an important step to ensure that everything goes smoothly. Next up, your golden ticket, the acceptance letter from your approved education provider. This includes your CAS, confirmation of acceptance for studies and a visa letter. Just remember, the visa letter should be issued not more than 6 months before your application. You will need to provide proof of funds that cover your course fees for the first year and living costs for up to 9 months. Remember, you must have held this money for at least 28 days, with a 28-day period ending not more than a month before your application. For living in London, you need to show a minimum amount of £12,006 for 9 months or £1,334 per month. Whereas outside London, it is £9,207 for 9 months or £1,023 per month. These amounts cover basic living costs excluding fees. But hold on, having a visa letter and showing funds doesn't guarantee your approval. You must meet all category requirements and immigration rules. Next, be ready to pay the visa fees and keep that payment confirmation receipt safe. Double check if this applies to you. Some nationalities and courses might need an ATAS certificate. Lastly, gather your academic credentials, which includes original mark sheets, provisional certificates and score sheets of exams like IELTS, TOEFL and GMAT, and you're good to go. Now, if you look at the cost of the visa, then the applicant has to pay £363, approximately 37,082 rupees for the UK student visa if students are applying from outside UK. Additionally, a healthcare surcharge needs to be paid, which depends on the duration of your stay. International students may have to pay an immigration health surcharge of £490 per year, which might change to £776 per year. And there you have it, your ultimate guide to the documents required for your successful UK visa application. Remember, each step is crucial, so stay organized and prepared. If you need assistance for your UK student visa, then please call 080-694-51539 to book your free counseling session today.